फिर से?
आप डिजिटल अरेस्ट में हो, दूसरे कमरे में जाइए।
पुलिस?
मिस सीमा,
जी?
अभी पुलिस स्टेशन आई है। रुकिए, वरना घर आ जाएंगे।
क्यों? लेकिन मैं...
अकेले दूसरे कमरे में जाइए। आपका बेटा हमारे कस्टडी में है और आप डिजिटल अरेस्ट में हो।
डिजिटल अरेस्ट?
1 लाख दो, बच जाओगे।
इतने पैसे?
अच्छा ठीक है, एक लिंक भेजिए।
These con calls are stalking an entire nation. Frauds hiding behind a telephone line, eyeing to dupe you of your life savings. The terrifying rise in cybercrimes. 10 frauds every hour to be precise, as per national crime records. The financial toll on India, a mind-boggling 23,000 crore rupees last year alone. Thousands of gullible Indians losing crores to fake cyber arrest, where con artists pose as cops, tax officials, or vigilance sleuth to extort. Reported cases have tripled to 1.23 lakh between 2022 and 2024. In a major crackdown, government has blocked 4,000 Skype IDs and 83,000 WhatsApp accounts linked to these crimes. Yet, the fraudsters keep innovating. A 78-year-old retired banker Naresh Malhotra in South Delhi is the latest to be conned. Over a period of 1 month, between August 4 and September 4, the fraudsters carried out 20 transactions and withdrew 23 crore rupees from multiple bank accounts. In an awareness campaign, the government launched full-page newspaper ads and TV warnings to educate Indians.
फ्री फॉरेन ट्रिप, क्लिक ऑन द लिंक। अभी करता हूँ।
दादू रुको, लिंक में क्लिक मत करना।
क्यों?
ये SMS स्कैम है। क्लिक करोगे तो आपके बैंक डिटेल्स होंगे चोरी। नई कार जीतने का मौका। वाओ, पापा को सरप्राइज दूंगी। बस थोड़ी सी तो उनकी डिटेल भरनी है। रुक जा बुद्धू।
व्हाट? ऐसे पॉपअप से सावधान रहो। स्कैमर्स पर्सनल डिटेल्स का गलत यूज कर सकते हैं।
The Prime Minister leading the drive with an appeal in his Mann Ki Baat saying, and I quote, "Don't fall for these scamsters who are after your money," unquote.
डिजिटल अरेस्ट के फ्रॉड में फोन करने वाले कभी पुलिस, कभी सीबीआई, कभी नारकोटिक्स, कभी आरबीआई, ऐसे भांति भांति के लेबल लगाकर बनावटी अधिकारी बनकर बात करते हैं और बड़े कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ करते हैं।
Now the Reserve Bank of India is bringing in a new AI-powered weapon called the Digital Payments Intelligence Platform. It promises to catch scams before they happen. The platform can flag potentially risky transactions and aims to strengthen fraud risk management. It will enable real-time intelligence sharing across the ecosystem to reduce digital fraud. The DPIP system will collect and analyze data from diverse sources to identify potential threats and prevent scams. RBI Governor Sanjay Malhotra says the platform will use artificial intelligence to scam millions of transactions in real time. The system will be trained using data from mule accounts, telecom networks, locations, and more. The system, on spotting a suspicious transaction, will trigger a pre-transaction alert, giving banks or customers a chance to stop the payment before money is lost. The Finance Ministry has urged the central bank to speed up the rollout of the system, citing the rapidly rising cases of online fraud. The urgency is clear. In financial year 2025 alone, India reported 13,513 digital fraud cases worth 520 crore rupees. Most were linked to internet banking and cards. The AI-driven platform may finally turn the tide against these cyber criminals, protecting millions from losing their savings overnight. Till then, beware that con man, seeking your personal financial details or asking you to share an OTP.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.